Ok, clase, para este video vamos a hablar sobre el vocabulario, se llama en avión. So for this video, we're going to talk about the vocab, which is called, dun, 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 biplane. So all about travel, travel, travel. And here we go. So our first section of words are for preparing or leaving for a trip. So we have la maleta, which is a suitcase. That's kind of important to have. El equipaje, which essentially means the same thing, but a little bit more so. So this is luggage or baggage. Hacer la maleta, to pack the suitcase. And we know, based on past experiences, that hacer means to make or to do. However, in this case, it can also mean to pack. El maletero, or la maletera, depending on the car it is referring to. This is a trunk. El carro, car. It's kind of important to get to the airport. Hacer el viaje, to make the trip. Or to plan a trip is another way you would say that. Okay, now our next section of vocab words is for describing airport activities. El aeropuerto, the airport. El avión, plane. La línea aérea, the airline. El agente, or if it's a female, la agente, the agent. El mostrador, the counter. And not that kind of counter, that's my bad. I meant a counter like at the airport. Sorry. El boleto, ticket. El pasaporte, passport. La tarjeta de embarque, boarding pass. El destino, destination. El vuelo, flight. El número del vuelo, flight number. El control de seguridad, security inspection. So you got to go through security. La aduana, customs. The place I always get stopped at an airport. La salida, departure. La hora de salida, departure time. La puerta de salida, the departure gate. El reclamo de equipaje, the baggage or luggage claim. So when you get off the airport, you gotta go get your baggage. I'm sorry, when you get off the airplane, you gotta go get your baggage. Okay, now let's talk as if we are actually on the plane now. We're going to be describing a flight. El piloto or la pilota is a pilot. Typically they're male though. La asistente or el asistente de vuelo is a flight attendant. Again, these are both male and female. No fumar, no smoking. Very important when on a plane. El pasillo, the aisle. El compartimiento superior, the overhead compartment, where you put your carry-ons. El asiento, the seat. We also know that silla means a seat, but not for an airplane. So for an airplane, the seat is called a asiento. La ventanilla, the window seat. It's a good seat. El cinturón de seguridad, the seat belt. Please fasten your cinturones de seguridades. That's pretty good, huh? A tiempo, on time. Tarde, late. A bordo, on board. El despegue, take off. El aterrizaje. Say that with me one more time. El aterrizaje. El aterrizaje. The landing. Okay, now let's look at some verbs related to traveling, as you will be conjugating and using these for sentence structure as well as some other things as well. Despegar means to take off. Aterrizar, to land. Embarcar or abordar, either one, means to board. Hacer, as you learned earlier, la maleta, el viaje, whatever it is, means to make or to do or to pack a suitcase, etc. Ayudar, to help. Conducir, to drive. And volar, to fly. Important phrases related to traveling that you need to know would be con permiso, which means excuse me. That's usually what you say whenever you're in a crowded space and you want to pass somebody. You would say con permiso, like excuse me. Perdón, that means sorry. In the case that you accidentally bump somebody, you would say, oh, perdón. A veces, sometimes. Debajo de, underneath or below. And dentro de, which means inside. So we got some prepositional phrases as well. Alrighty, and that's it para este video. Adiós, chao y hasta luego.